In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a Word document. By the end, you'll know how to securely sign a Word file yourself, and what to keep in mind so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you have your Word document ready, and that you can access your DocuSign account. This process works great with Word 2013, Word 2016, Word Online, and Word for iPad, so you're covered whether you're on a desktop or mobile device. Start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Sign a Document. Click that, then upload your Word file. You can browse to find it or drag and drop the file right into the upload area. Give it a moment to process. Larger documents might take a few extra seconds. If your document includes multiple pages, you'll see them displayed so you can navigate to the exact spot where your signature should go. Next, add yourself as a signer. This tells DocuSign that you're the person who will be signing this document. After that, you'll see a toolbox of fields you can place on the document. Drag and drop the signature field to the precise location where you want your signature to appear. Take a moment to zoom in if needed and align it neatly with any signature line. You can resize the field slightly so it fits nicely without overlapping nearby text. When everything looks good, click Sign. DocuSign will apply your electronic signature to the document and finalize the process. That's all there is to it for signing it yourself. Quick note in case you need it, I've added the official DocuSign website link along with the download link for the app right at the very top of the description so you can access it quickly and safely. A couple of important considerations to keep in mind. Compatibility-wise, this method works with Word 2013, 2016, Word Online, and Word for iPad, so you can sign from a range of devices and platforms. In terms of legality, electronically signing via DocuSign is generally legally binding in many regions and industries. As always, if you're working under specific regulations or company policies, confirm any additional requirements you might need to follow. If you're not just signing for yourself and you need others to sign, there's a helpful option built right into Word. You can select Request Signatures in the Word ribbon to send the document out to other people for their signatures, keeping everything tracked and organized. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.